you're going live. Just so you know.
I guess this is because I'm recording. Like, I can't share my video.
Fuck. I could have sworn. We're going live. Damn.
I can always stop it and delete it if you want me to.
What's that?
You do what?
Stop it and delete it if you want me to.
Stop it and delete it.
Stop it. Stop. You know that thing?
Boy, it's not working. I don't know if it's because of OBS. I mean,
What's
OBS
going
is
on?
It's not working. Oh,
Why
yeah,
is my-
it's probably OBS, dude. You're messing it up.
So, did you ever figure out what the error was?
Yeah. We're nearly done fixing it.
Oh,
So the
okay.
error was that we have gone through 100,000 blocks without consensus.
All right.
Like,
So I was sorry.
because we need more of like a higher percentage of the witnesses need to be online. So I'm waiting for. We need one more witness online. And,
So I was talking to Pivik about becoming a witness or being a block producer. He said he's totally about it. I think that's what he said, right?
Man, where the hell did I put cards?
Is this my screen? Super glitch. Super glitch.
Every time I clean my room, I get rid of all the cardboard and it's damn it.
Fuck, now I can't even find the window we're in. Here. Okay, we got a cat with glasses. That's a pretty cool cat. We got me, Len, Piotr. Well, how do you pronounce P-I-O-T-R?
Piotr. Well, you can call me Peter, no problem. I'm used to English
Peter.
versions.
Peter.
Peter.
Whatever.
Is that like a
Cracker packed pickled pepper. I couldn't say it. Your mom. Oh, look at little baby rubber band.
I didn't get high yet today. Did I fix that? Is that what's happening? Everybody looks like they're getting high. Look at fucking Nicole. He just can't even breathe. He's doing that dance from 32 years ago. Oh, the peer pressure. Oh, God.
I'm so scared.
So a pipe just burst, like in our yard, and then I like had to do some emergency measures to like fix it, so that we don't have like leaky water like spraying over the neighbor's yard like the whole night.
Yeah, what do you think? What's better, peer to pyramid or peer to peer pressure?
Pyramid to peer pressure. Pyramid pressure.
Peer to
Pyramid pressure. Pressure pyramid.
that shit's pyramidling.
Pressure mid.
Pyramid.
Mirror. Vernacular.
Instead of our faces, it should just be our drug tables that we stream.
Just like yeah, all sorts of like
I'm pretty sure you just. I'm pretty sure you just. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure you just got a paranoid. You know, you just got a paranoid to the parachute,
I'm fucking paranoid with Cole right now.
and then I'm out.
No, Cole. He's such a bit. I'm totally kidding. Why does he do that? He has a very soft vagina for like a grown ass man. Let's see. Where did the baby boy go? Oh God. Yo, should we go? We should go troll. We should go troll somewhere. We should. Where do we have to go? What rooms do we even have? What are the like? I only have like 4 I visit. Not even 4. Go Club, Mindspace, Freedom First, Hangouts. Steam Alliance is dead.
Seriously, are you really again talking about your mom's soft vagina? Like, is that a soft spot for you? Oh my God!
I said I thought you had a soft vagina because I said I'm paranoid with you. Oh, he just is he that dick who says shit and bounces and then comes back in and says shit and bounces?
What? Where did he go? Oh, he's looking at the stream. He's looking at the stream. You're looking at the stream, huh? You're looking at the stream, aren't you?
Let's check out the stream. Get a little weird. Got a weird beard. Got a weird beard here.
I see you, Cole. I see you. How do you see how many people are watching the video?
It's 0.
Oh, how do you tell?
I don't know. I just assume. Why is the
Normally-
source on Twitch
Normally
10?
it says, like,
Wait, is he watching my stream or is he streaming his own stream?
Watching him on Twitch.
On mine?
you're watching him on Twitch. You're watching
Wait.
his stream of the stream.
Yeah, but I'm also watching Twitch of my own stream.
And it says 1 view.
Yeah, for now. But in the little window, it might say more. Let's see. It's. Oh my God! Here we go. Oh God. Fuck. Wait, am I streaming my face or my screen?
I just got a notification.
Oh, nice. How do you get notified about that? Do you just
When
subscribe?
you subscribe and then you hit the bell. Like there's a bell
Oh, that's nice.
that gives you notifications.
These Hangouts. Oh, I'm not. Wait, what should I stream? Me? I shouldn't stream me, right? I should stream my screen.
I got a newsletter from Decentraland,
Oh, cool.
but nobody has Ethereum anymore.
So if crypto kitties were crypto kitties, like what is your type? Do you guys have types that you can
Dude,
describe
I
quickly for code?
still have crypto kitties on my other laptop with in my MetaMask in my Chrome. Like so, like if I were to log in, I still have those fucking crypto kitties.
Did they have like good cat fights or no?
And you can't do nothing with them. You could breed them or whatever, but I don't know if like people are even buying them anymore. There's no demand for them.
I mean, it's not that different on some of the underlying scale from like crypto bunnies. Like, I want Rabbit Coin to be such that if you buy into that system, you can breed your rabbits.
I spent all my Steam on Steam monsters.
My lips red.
Peter. Me.
You have to use the magic pronunciation.
So I've got a question for everyone.
Oh.
Are you serious about the freedom of the forest?
So I think I can write a function now. So
Wait,
like,
hold on. Wait, I didn't say. I didn't. What? What are you functioning?
You say
Like highly
you
functioning.
get the word function, and then you give it a name the function, and then you give it those curly braces, like the bubble brace, and then there's the curly brace, and you would break down into whatever your function was, whatever you wanted it to do. And you would call that like with an on-click or something like that.
Oh shit! A cult's getting tinier and tinier. Oh, the stream is always weird.
I think you got it, dude.
I'm just kidding.
I feel like that was a question for Lamar. And
I think you got it.
Yeah.
yeah.
I think I understand what a function is and how it's spelled out or whatever. And I think I get it.
That's funny curly bracket.
Yeah.
The part that goes inside it is called the block. It's called a code block. Just remember when people say the word block in like forums and stuff, that they talk like block stuff.
And you would like say like document.get element by ID and give it the bubble and put in the name of the whatever it was that you wanted to display. And then it would be like dot style this dot display or something like that, or dot something.
Now those kind of things you can test it. You can test it with the JavaScript console.
Yeah.
And then make sure it works before you put it in code. Makes it a lot easier.
Yeah, I still don't understand how to log it in the console. I don't understand that. I don't know how to write it out.
Let's try out like the get element by ID part in the console. Then you'll see.
Did someone get feng shuied?
Function.
Swayed, functionally swayed, funked, swayed.
My pocket. Ooh, my pocket.
Are we all? Does everyone in this room smoke weed?
Is he swearing at me?
Low battery.
I need to know what the consensus is here. What do we have in common?
Because
it says in 37 seconds.
We're all on Google Hangouts right now.
No, but in 32 seconds, the audience is going to vote, and one of us is going to go. Do you guys got anything to say? Oh, that cat's going to stay. He's too cool.
What are you talking about?
Peter's cat is so cool that people will just vote for him just because of his avatar.
I don't know nothing about avatars.
He's got a cat. Look at him. He's got a cool cat with like Google Cat Glass.
Oh.
Now, did you know that Google used to have an application that puts an avatar on your face?
I guess we could do that, huh? If you do like a screen share and then you just like whatever was on the screen was like a Adobe character animator, something. Get a full screen on that. Like screen share.
Yo, Cole, if you're watching the stream, just jump into voice the instant you hear this.
Google Plus APS, not on the screen.
Oh, is this my best look? Should I be talking over Las Vegas like this? Go. Yo, Grassman.
Grassman.
Oh, Grassman.
Grass my ass.
It's fucking time to harass the man.
Harass the grass, man.
Yeah. Muted? Oh, I thought it was muted.
I need an animation so my character.
Yeah, I want to be able to have a little face on my shit. That's tight.
You talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Better slow your troll, bro. Fucking Elon Anonymous.
Talking.
What?
See if I can find them.
What the fuck? Why can't I move shit off the top of my screen? Can someone just watch how retarded apples are? I'll show you like how you not to fucking buy this shit. I want.
What do you think? That shit's cool.
About what?
Free dynamic evidence.
Yeah. Great. What I'm in Decentraland.
If each of you,
Land.
you guys had a Google bitch, what would you do? Like, what if you had someone to work for you like 60 hours a week? What would they be doing? Like, what work don't you get done that doesn't take someone smarter than you?
I don't know.
I think I would send Ko to like Twitch and like I'd pay Ko to be my little Twitch bitch.
Twitch bitch.
I think you could have somebody who was Ko's probably a better character than me for 95% of Twitchers, but Ko, are you there? He got me like excited. I was like erect because he was talking in Twitch. He's probably, what if he is talking in Twitch and I'm ignoring him and he thinks I'm a dick? Fuck. I don't even know what else going on. Where's... All right. I can't. What's actually happening? Hello?
Eh.
What's actually happening? So it shows that, and then adds my face. Oh, this light in my face can give me a headache. Fuck. It's too much. I bet it's going to get low light instantly. I mean, all you really got to do to make this shit work is just mug somebody with an iPhone X. It's pretty simple. Just find somebody out that's completely absorbed in their phone and just like grab it and slap them in the face wearing an anonymous mask. Where is the window?
So
Where is Google? Oh, there we go. Nope. Okay. Oh, it's full screen. That's why. God damn it. So what do we do? 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 Lemon, what the hell's going on?
back in a bowl.
It's very bouncy.
Yeah. I'm about to like try to figure out this JavaScript. Real quick. I've almost got it.
I don't really like words like that. Let's see. Should we go white on black? No, it looks white. Screw it. You're too fucking bright, too. Oh, wait. I do black letters. I can't show up, can it? It's fucking, it's highlight, it shows up. Hey, okay, welcome, gentlemen. What's he talking about? What are people talking about? Lemon, what the hell are you doing, bro? It's even moving? Lemon, move your head. Alrighty then.
I'm trying to find like a talking stuff. Gorgeous.
I didn't realize it, but I just walked away and I had my private key just like displayed on the screen right now. I walked away from my computer and my private key was on the screen and shit.
Fuck, I just realized if you're like, how do I interact with Twitch without actually opening the stream? Or is it good to like have several of your own stream open so it looks like you're more popular? Oh God, shit is weird. Why are there no messages? I thought I was just awful video. If I go full color. Oh, then we have to go to screen. Fucking Hangouts. Switching to Hangouts. Annoying. Okay. Screen. Back to screen share. Desktop. Look, we don't need. How many of us have good green screen setup? Like any? Peter.
No. Yeah, no, I don't have a green screen at the moment.
Oh shit, dude! I shouldn't even say that on Twitch, but I should really, because you know what we're doing? We're making a movie about weed, and then the instant it's like fully legalized in New York State, then we're gonna like release the film, the documentary, which has all the illegality in it. But they're not. The law will already have changed, and they're not going to be prosecuting retroactively. Isn't that the thing? Like, if you could figure out when it was going to be legalized and just like record shit that people would never record in the past. Like dealers don't usually record themselves, right? I mean, not like most. I sold 1/4 of weed in my life. No, 2. And it's about to be legal. It'd be fucking hard. So I'm going to get caught like a month before it becomes legalized and say, like, really, what are you going to do exactly? I wasn't listening to a law that was obviously wrong and has already changed, Your Honor. Like, you were wrong and it was civil disobedience. Weed is important, not just recreationally, not just medicinally. It has other effects, too, that haven't even yet been fucking discussed against a tiny collection of side effects. No? Bueller? This is unfairest. Lamar, what are you doing?
I'm typing.
I don't hear anything. Why don't you have typing canceling? Occult, you look like a scary occult person. Holy shit. People with like you have black eyes. You like
black guys.
Black eyes. You like, yeah, I like those black eyes.
Black guys.
Black guys. Wait, so what is actually, why am I not seeing this? Why am I getting a video? What is actually, how far behind? Oh, we're behind. Why am I getting I'm thinking there is no, I guess there is an anonymous Twitcher. There's some guy called Mr. like, what is he? He's a Fortnite streamer, Dr. Disturbing or some shit, or the fuck. But he doesn't, he wears like a 70s porn mustache and shit. I'm just satisfying. Oh, Lamar, at least like we have moved around though. Today was a good day for like actually jumping into, you know, different rooms.
It's 4:45.
I'm curious about Planet McLaren. Got Juxinator, Kekistani Stormtrooper, Koshka, Wolf Zero. You'd like Wolf Zero, Lan, I think. Serrano and Q. Wait, how can I do both? How would I? Wait, I'm gonna hang out, right? So I could do both. Let me see what happens. No, it's gonna. I bet it's gonna fuck with my audio. God damn it! I would want push to talk, right? And I would want to remember to actually push the buttons. Is this? Can you still hear me in Hangouts?
I can hear you.
All right, let me see if I go into any Discord room. Can you still hear me? Hold on. I'm going to join. What about now?
Still hear you.
Oh, it's fine?
Yeah.
So let's see. I'd have to turn on. I want to go into this room like raid. I'm not going to do anything, but go. So if I go in, they will play out loud, so you would hear them, and I would have to press push to talk. At which time I would be talking to everyone. Let's see what happens. Let's start a new clip. Let's talk, even though I'm not in that room. I'm so stupid. So screen display capture. What's up, plan? Lamar, how do you type so quietly? I'm confused.
Laptop is not set up properly. I'm trying to help him swim with it.
Yeah, where the hell's he? But what the hell's he doing? Just what's Shaman up to? Is he all right?
Can I ask him? No point to ask me.
I don't know. You said you were talking to him. I'm
trying to help him with his block prediction. His block prediction.
Oh, all right. I'm sure he's fine if he's working on the chain. I just hadn't heard from him in a couple of days.
No, there's no.
Let's see, changed here.
Yeah, I want to have a character.
FaceTime.
Yeah, man. Back in the days, Vim TV, man, we had characters that were running shit on there. Our characters were the shit.
Did I start? No, I didn't. The question is, how disturbed will you be when you get into some future shit and you realize there's no way you can find your real world friends ever? Is that gonna bother you, or are you totally fine with that?
Are you asking?
What?
And anybody?
Real friends? What do you mean?
No, in one of these worlds, you're not allowed to not allowed to identify. Like, I couldn't be like, yo, a cult, this is my number, like this is me, or like this is where I am. You can't do that. Like, it has no connection. You're not supposed to know your real friends at all.
What do you mean?
It's a separate world. We're building a parallel reality where I don't know Lamor and I don't know you and I don't know anybody by their real identity.
Well, I feel like I kind of know Stray, and I don't really know you guys, but like I feel like I've hung out with you long enough to feel like whatever, you guys can know who I am. I'm not afraid of it.
No, here it's fine. I mean,
like who you could add me on Facebook,
Well, I mean, in game, so different from this. This is, I don't care if you guys know me here. I mean, like when we go into another place, like we can talk about that place, but you won't have like a name that you can say, and you won't have like a location that like.
I can say that when I'm at work and when I'm around other people, they don't know what the fuck I'm doing on the computer. I'm learning how to do this shit, build websites, and learn how to fucking learn these languages and read documentation and whatnot. I'm in my own world doing my own thing. Nobody really knows. And I'm so like, excited to share it with people and like show them, but the truth is that nobody gives a fuck. And this is
Nobody gives a fuck about anything.
My own thing, this is what I want to do. This is like what interests me when, some people like to work on cars. That's their thing. I don't like cars.
I mean, you dislike them?
No, I don't dislike them. I just like it's not. I don't like. It's not my thing to want to fucking spend my life earnings on fucking a nice car and putting fucking nice paint job on it, and all that. A lot of people do that I know of. They some of them, like I've known a guy who has been working on fixing this car for like 12 years, and the car has just been sitting there. And he's working on it. It's a badass vehicle. It's going to be worth a lot of money when it's done. But he's got to put more money into it to get it done. And it's just been sitting there. And he's literally had this car sitting there in his garage for this long. And yeah, I don't know. That's not my thing to like, work on cars. I guess when I was a kid, I never had money to buy anything, and working on stuff like this doesn't cost anything, but having a laptop.
Right. How? Fuck. What is the right way to share a Google chat? Like, how do you do that? Where's the option? Do you just copy the fucking URL or? No, more. If you're sending a like, just say you want someone to join a room. What do you?
I'm looking at this line of code right here. I'm just looking at this line of code.
How can? Give me a fucking simple option for. I'm not a huge fan of the aesthetic of Hangouts. Gotta say that. I like the way it looks better when this is one that's also going to YouTube, right? Because it looks bad. Or is this the new? I don't even know which way is which. And the moderator also has the ability to eject you from the call. No, I'm on free for all. It's free for y'all. And, fuck. Jump.
So, open. Guys, still there?
It goes like, pause the hangouts. He's like calling me that. I'm like, no, dude, what the hell?
Like, pause it. Hmm.
I'm good. I'm pretty good. It's like, so he knows someone with a lot of Facebook followers. Okay, great. I know people who have built their own Facebook followers that size. My personal No, absolutely, absolutely. No, I disagree with you. I disagree with you. I would not like if somebody told me he had a lot of Facebook followers, that wouldn't make me work for him. I don't know. You're describing something completely different. So what is? No, well, that doesn't something completely unrelated. Completely unrelated. It was incompletely related. Completely unrelated. Why don't you join the hangout? Why don't you join the hangouts? Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
It's 2 o'clock.
I can hear purring. I hear purring.
Does my camera work? It says Hangouts cannot use your camera. Camera problem. Should I just restart? Nope, we gotta refart. So you're already in that video call. Why would you dare? Oh, this is still such a creepy website. Voki.com. I feel like I'm talking to nobody.
Well, I can hear you, so.
What's that? Just because I'm talking to myself and I'm a nobody doesn't mean that I'm not there. Who is this? Who's this? Where? So Piotr, Piotr.
Well, call me Peter. It would be easier for you. So.
Oh, you're speakable. Hey.
Yeah, I'm speakable. I just listened, and
Can you give me administrator privileges on this so we can close this? So nobody can join unless they ask to join. So that we cannot be decentralized. I mean, so that, man, my dog is going crazy. She's like rah 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 rah. Oh, there he goes.
You know an anger.
I almost limited it before you could get back in the channel. Like, oh, I was this far away. All right, so how do we? I was this far away from banning ALX. Damn it! Oh, now his screen is all up on my. But how do I can't even show you. I set up the camera and everything. I wanted to show y'all. I even worked on lighting and cleaning up my desk, and then I got high. You know what I'm saying?
I was gonna clean my desk, but then I got high.
So is this a cult? Is this a cult over here? Showing us his local host. Dude, my dog is freaking out, bro.
Yeah.
Did I log? It's only wait. So it's 1600 hours. It's 4 o'clock. I wish I had more weed to smoke. I was gonna try and schedule that because that's a problem. Oh shit! I'm getting a phone call. How nice. From 40 different places.
When I cleared my browsing history and my cache or whatever, like it signed me out. That was odd. Sign me out. Had to log back on. So my problem here is I tried to. Oh shit! I tried to clear the cache, so maybe this nav bar will turn black like I assigned it to. But it's coming in like a pinkish color. So and then my fucking Atom froze up right now. My text editor fucking froze. It's been doing that. Doing that a lot lately. Frustrating.
Yes. Our head is irreversible. We are back online, ladies and gentlemen. All day. Taken me since 9 o'clock this morning to figure out what's wrong. And we're finally back online. And now it's midnight.
What's up?
Been since 9 o'clock this morning, I've been trying to figure out why the blockchain's not working. And we just got it back online. It's like 5 past midnight.
Tomorrow, you want to get me on as a block producer? So
so you mean I can do it now?
What's that?
So you mean I can upload it now? I can upload my webpage.
Oh yeah, it should actually work now. Just that you should update. You should uninstall Freedom First in the project folder, and you should install it again so that it updates.
All right.
Like, let me see what the command. Let me just Google how do you uninstall with npm uninstall. You type npm uninstall Freedom First in the folder, and then you just type npm install Freedom First again.
All right.
And then how you run it, give you the command.
Nope. I don't know. I don't know. It's not working. I get the same error. That
Go back. I'm looking at unexpected. 1.4. Wait a sec. No. Wait a sec. Wait a sec. You're saying you're getting the same error, but you're running freedom first. That's the old version. So wait, saying file not found. Did you go npm install freedom first? Was I could find. Oh, wait a sec. Okay, of course, I gave you the wrong command. Sorry, man. Right. Just let it finish installing, and then you run that. I made like a huge. Run that.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, I just made 4 million plans. And they're all with green eggs and ham. Oh, they.
That's a lot of green eggs and ham.
Oh man, you don't even know how much spam.
You know what
But-
green eggs are?
What?
Do you know what green eggs are?
It's 5:15.
Do you know what isn't is?
Okay, wait. What's this say? Cannot find the file, right? Wait, desktop /save/pub/node model. You're in the public directory. Yeah, run it there. Run it cd ... and then run.
Dude, I can't wait till they send me my message back.
No, you're in the wrong directory. Go cd ... Oh wait. Oh wait. It gave the same error. Wait a second. We just test on glitch.
So does it come out blue or does it not? Baby, call my name. Love you gently. Baby, call my name. Is there a way to make a window capture transparent? No, don't do it. Don't do it, Morty. Don't die. It's okay. No, you can die. Are we streaming?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can finally put my video into this. Since it didn't work in mother. Oh, now it's not even working in OBS.
Why is nothing working today? I bet you, dude.
No, it's
What
not.
what is the wager that Mercury is in retrograde?
That Mercury is a hypocrite.
It's in retrograde. Look, I'm sharing my screen. I haven't checked it. What is the wager? Let's check. So much is wrong today.
Let's
I bet
check.
you Mercury is in retrograde. I bet
It's
you.
just one of those fucking days, man.
Because fuck, dude. I'll be fucked if it isn't.
Listen, you're tripping me out with your screen moving. Can you slow it down a little bit? I'm trying to do things on the other screen. It's a 65-inch screen. It's tough, man. It's tough.
Retrograde date.
You're freaking me out, man. Freaking me out, man.
I bet you it's in retrograde.
What is even behind the screen that it's like what the fuck?
March. It'll be soon.
There's so many features.
March 5. Today. To fucking day.
No,
It started today.
You know what? I'm
No,
tired
tomorrow.
of you cursing. I'm tired of all
March
that.
4th is tomorrow.
March 5. It's the 5th.
No, it's the
the
4th.
5th.
It's the 4th for you.
5th.
The 5th for me.
It's the 5th.
It's midnight.
It is.
Midnight here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mercury's in retrograde, dude.
But what are you even talking about? Like,
It must have stopped on the 4th and it turns around.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'm still talking about. It's okay though.
Holy shit. That is uncanny, dude. Every single time.
Wow.
You're tripping me out right now. Like,
I was curious to see what it was too.
So okay, Steam Studios. So y'all ready to stream to Vim?
So check this out. Go wait. I'll send you the link.
I just
I'll put it up.
I guess I could do screen sharing
anxiety today, man. Terrible anxiety.
Should I? You do?
Yeah, man. My whole fucking body feels like just real anxiety, like nervous.
Bro, take some of the Xanax. Take some of the Xanax I got. Come here.
You don't have a one of those. I've never taken it before either. I've never taken it or anything.
You've never taken Xanax before?
Yeah.
And you have a Xanax?
Yeah.
Like a full bar, like a 2 milligram Xanax?
No, like it's like pieces of it, like a half of slivers? It. Like I could break it off in like 3 or 4 pieces or something.
Right. Take a small amount. Swear to God. Like I don't encourage bad drug use, but as long as you don't abuse this, it's like because benzos are made. Sorry, I got Xanax in my mouth. Benzos are only made to take for like a week max. I'll be right back. I gotta go get some water.
Mercury's in retrograde.
That's so weird, dude. About a week or 2 before Mercury retrogrades, finish any projects at hand. You can't stop your life, but ahead. Have backup plans. Be prepared for angrier people and miscommunication.
Love you, Chili. What if I call your name? Baby, love me gently. Is that a good camera angle? This is the weirdest.
It's funny. It's funny, hey, that all the smart contracts stopped working, and the planet. It says here, the planet Mercury rules communication, travel, contract, automobiles, and.
What the hell are you on about again? Are you still?
Dude, all the smart contracts stopped today. And look at that. Look at the first. The script.
Are you trying to show me something?
Yeah, look at freedom first.
Wait, hold on. Let me. I'm trying to set up weird camera angles. All right. Okay. I can see. So Mercury. Retrograde. What are we on about? Should we stream this to Vim? Y'all down? Down with the Vim stream? Nope. Just YouTube. Fuck. I want that move. Move you. I wish I could do exactly what I can do. Was it reset? No, reset, transform. Where is... What's the transform where you can do whatever you want? Edit transform? That's too much. What is it? You know, like in Photoshop where you can... What's the word for that? What do I do? So where the fuck did I put?
Mercury's and retrograde, stop your life.
What's that? Stop your
Stop
life.
your life, Mercury's and retrograde. Stop your life. We're gonna stop it for the month.
All right, we're streaming.
We're
We're going on Vim, guys. We're going on Vim.
Gonna live on tin food for the rest of the month. Gotta stock up on tin food, canned food. That's what I need, canned food.
Baby, stop your name. I love you, Chile. So it's only. I'm gonna off the top.
Hello, welcome to James State Tarot, where Mercury officially goes retrograde.
Don't talk to me like that. I never did anything to deserve that. How dare you?
Let's say it.
I can click.
Yo, Code, could you comment on the similarities between IPFS and BitTorrent?
I would love to. I would love to comment. Can you comment on my stream? How shitty it looks.
Where's your stream?
It's I actually am really I think I took too many medicines. Hey, can you comment on my stream? I'm peeing on your face. How does it feel? Oh, that's terrible. So twitch.tv's dude, wait, that's the wrong one. Vim.tv's. Then you go to Steam Studios.
Disney.
Got to do the @ You got to do the @ sign Steam Studio because we only have one. Once we get Steam Studios, then we go. I forgot the @ button. That's the tricky thing. Like you got ALX. I think that if we make you in charge of, like our social media, then we'll just have so much great content all over there. I don't know if anybody else will agree with the greatness, but
nobody watches my shit ever so far. It'd have to be packaged to be enjoyable. Like nobody watches me work, and it would have to be very formatted, and I would need help.
The package.
Yeah, it's not junk; it's a treasure.
I'm gonna pack manage.
I'm not like you. I fucking measured,
bro. Pack manage. You like that's dope, right?
Got a fucking measure erection.
Whoa.
It's trying to make you uncomfortable.
I don't know which direction to go with the measurection.
Measurection. What is what's the difference between IPFS and BitTorrent? We need to know.
One's working toward.
So IPFS has a larger network that doesn't depend on trackers.
Doesn't depend on what?
Trackers. Where BitTorrent depends on trackers. Like IPFS doesn't depend on that.
And trackers do what exactly? I mean, tracking, I guess.
Love me gently.
It's like a point of centralization. Trackers. Like they, tracking.
Crackers.
So
if you have enough
crackers. Crackers.
Like BitTorrent is like a system where you can like rent BitTor.
No,
rent store for your bits.
So essentially, BitTorrent. So BitTorrent could be okay. Let's look at it this way. So BitTorrent could be related. Let's say architecturally like IPFS. Okay, so everybody who hosts a file on their computer and connected internet, they have a file server, right? I'm serving this file. I just downloaded it, so I'll give back a little bit. Unless you're a leacher and you don't have a lot of upload bandwidth, but that's irrelevant to the structural speech I'm giving.
It depends on whether it's a leap year or not.
So basically, you have that node. You have that node on your web server, on your computer, and you're serving that, and you're serving bits of it, even multiple people, depending on the algorithm of how to come together to deliver you this file, you can serve small portions of it. So if we're to talk about that with IPFS, the interplanetary personal system, interpersonal system, because obviously ALX wants it to be a little more personal. I liked it.
IPFS is more focused on whole files.
So
that's
with the whole file, so wait, I have a question. So with the whole file, it's going to come from one server. Not like a swarm.
No, you can still get files.
Okay.
But it would be unlikely for you to have a partial.
It'd be unlikely for you to what?
To have a partial file. Like in IPFS, you wouldn't be holding on to the partial file for a long period of time. Like the same way you do with torrents. Like it's unlikely that would happen. You can download a large file over a long period of time with IPFS. Same way you do with torrents. But it's just like happens less often on the network. More focused.
So
there's like more
saying that
more file.
So like I'm loading IPFS.io right now and it's not loading.
Like in with torrents, for instance, it can take a long time to even get a small file.
Right. Because somebody might not have. Wait.
Yeah, but like with IPFS, if you're contacting, if you're getting it directly from like high speed delivery, it already has a copy. It's a small file. It can usually retrieve it faster.
Why is IPFS not loading? That's the most like use IPFS. Even our website doesn't load.
What's not loading?
IPFS.io. I talk like this because I'm looking up at least look, the Wikipedia works.
It's loading for me.
It's loading for you?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it's on a different server. Does it have a God bless you. Does it have a location system? Like if this server is closer to you and it has these files?
I don't know.
I don't know. You wanna watch it?
Very fast.
Yeah.
You want to watch it, not dude? Let me do inspection.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can dig it. All right. So let's look at the network. Let's look at sources. All right.
What is the network?
Yeah.
Oh look. Oh, it's popping up. Let's look at the console to see what it did. Nothing.
What is your net worth?
Okay. So
what is your internet worth?
I am worth at least $250,000 a day.
Satoshis, I think is what you meant to say.
250,000 USD dollars a day. So
USDs.
This screen right now, USDs. No.
USA what?
All right, bro. For real though, did y'all check out my
getting server muted for talking?
Where should I put the camera?
Yeah.
Like where do you want the camera? Have y'all even been to my Vim? I'm streaming, I think.
Minimum.
Nobody swims in the streams.
Minimum.
Get a river and maybe we'll come.
Now I have to remember that song.
Miniverm.
Stream me a river Streaming.
No, stop.
Then I'll come swimming. Swimming.
Swimming in your veins like cocaine. Wait, no, wrong song. Swimming in your. How do you swim in someone's body?
Your river.
Swimming in your sea. You got my. I don't know. That's hopefully we got the lyrics.
Okay, so you don't have this lyrics that you wanted.
I'm really bad. You got my mind. It's not worth it. I've got better things to do.
I'm getting it.
Morty has taken over my mind.
Do some more of those.
What? You want some more?
Yeah.
Hey, Morty.
Look how terrible this camera angle is. I wish I could have a D camera.
Did you put a link in the podcast?
No, it's just at Steam Studios. So
Vim, you said? I mean, nobody watches streaming.
Okay.
yeah. Should I Twitch it?
Enough of your fucking Twitch shit.
What? No, I'm just asking a question. Should I Twitch shit? Twitch it? Like I have a dry erase board. We could do workflows. Come on.
God damn, Morty.
You're a fucking dry erasist.
Yeah. How do you really feel?
Greenhouse Radio. Merry Sunday. It's not Sunday. What the fuck? Oh, not
Greenhouse Radio. Oh, I love those guys so much. All right, so IPFS.
Morty.
I see your stream.
Do you see my? Oh,
you're very jerky. You're wearing like a gray hoodie. You got like a red beard. You got a super fucking weird beard. Look at this weird beard here.
Weird beard.
It's like beers. This fucking beard is made of beers.
Beard made of beard.
Yeah, that's not good.
Should I go this way?
No, I just close it. I hear some noises.
Oh, tell me about the lighting.
Oh, I'll have to come back. I'll have to come back. Hold on a sec. Steam Studio. It was super jerky, but it's probably because I'm streaming and doing this and that. Oh, that's better now. I mean, it's a little asymmetric.
Should I raise the lighting up here?
You actually look like a funny person. I'm saying you look funny. You look funny. How about that?
That's my talent. Is to look funny.
You do look. He does look funny.
I feel funny right now. I feel like I'm gonna fall. Damn it, Morty! Stop falling all over my balls. That's
damn it, Morty. There it is.
That's when I want to fall balls.
Beautiful. Toggle.
I don't even know how big I look. Well, I look really weird. It's just the headphones, I promise.
I don't know.
I'm just wondering where a good camera angle would be, you know? Because on top of the laptop's not good. Is this good? Oh, it's
Let's see. Let me see. Yeah, it's pretty good. Even though ours is pretty good.
What's that?
Nothing wrong with ours.
What's that?
Pretty good. It's pretty good. Pretty good from here.
Yeah.
You look like a blue guy, like a little blue silhouette.
Do I look blue though?
Like a blue silhouette.
But not actually blue.
Yeah, you look blue. You do blue.
Like a blue So I was hoping to get all y'all on here too.
What do you mean?
I should put these away. I was hoping to get. So what I would do is I would go into the Google Hangouts and I'd go like this, you know, and be like this, be like, meow, and now I've got y'all on here. But I just wish I had a better background that instead of Steam Studios, like if we could like go in visual and be like, we're in the studio.
You just need a green screen and we'll figure it out. That's all. I'll get a green screen.
Well, you know what? I got a green screen. Look how green this is back here. Check this out. I got phones. Look, I want to use this phone just because it's a phone. Good story. So I think I'm gonna go down somewhere and get a lot of bud somewhere because I like this girl. Or maybe not go so far.
How's the girl with the teeth?
Oh, she's her teeth are well.
Go
She
with the
brushes
teeth.
the girl with the teeth. Yeah. You know what? It was what's happening? Is that a dog? Dog, is that you? Who's there?
Does that work? Oh, that's the download. That's stupid.
Go with the
Toggle.
You wanna come say hi? You wanna come say hi? Come here. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. So
Hi, dog. I'm going to call my kids. I'll be back. Hi, doggy.
Oh, you're gonna go call your kids? That's sweet of you. So, you've been killing enough people in Fortnite. You better get your game up. Better mind space it. Or mind space it. I mean, whatever. Okay, so. All right, Don, go do. All right, hey, so Pubic, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm still there. I'm doing something, but I'm still there.
You know the only way that we can stream right now is for you to show your screen. This is completely transparent workflow. Just kidding. Let me find out.
I kid.
I just wish that I didn't kid about like I think Lamour is actually he uses his bad internet to like make all of his scripts encrypted, even though they're open to the public. I just can't see your screen. It's not high definition. It's not high definition.
Ski.
Is that you? Again? I like it. It's nice to hear your voice too. Oh wait. Who is who? Oh, the Rinsro. The Rinsro. The Rinsro. The Rinsro. I need your help. What are you working on?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo está usted?
¿Cómo estás?
Come stash your weed right here because, it's the good shit. So Peter, Pubic? How many things
Yep.
don't you want me to call you?
Whatever.
What do you like ganja?
Well, it's illegal in my country, so.
Right, but when it was illegal in my country and it still is federally, I still thought that's terrible. How dare you make it illegal? You know what I'm saying? But I had that accent back then.
I think the law is stupid, but whatever.
So civil disobedience. Okay, English is hi guys. Civil
disobedience.
Right.
I mean,
Thank
it
you.
might work maybe in the United States, but not over
We're perfect.
here.
You can complete my sentences. Civil disobedience. My tongue's tied into a developer program right now. It's a new SDK called just put your tongue in the socket. Yeah, socket, web socket, Morty. Just put it in there. You'll fix it real quick. So civil disobedience. Yes, I get it. To me, so there's a lot of people. I think what the whole thing with America or any other society, it's like now people that are old or not old. Let's put it in a different way. They're mature and they didn't want to disobey the law because that's a good thing to do as a citizen, right? That's unless it's a really, really, really fucking stupid law. Like then we should really have outrage in the community, like outcries in the community. Like, what? You don't want me to walk down the street? You're gonna shoot me? Like, I just wanted a taco. So, but do you like it? Is what I'm asking. Do you like some marijuana?
You like that?
Well,
do you like it?
Nothing special, but yes, I mean, sometimes, why not?
Okay. I just think there's use cases for
it. I spent quite a while many years ago in Colombia, so
so mostly cocaine. He's like I smoked marijuana because all the cocaine and all the skelamine. How do you pronounce it?
All the cocaine,
Skelamine?
you know, you have to clear your nose every now and then.
He kind of
With a little bit of weed.
like Super Mario, you know, Wario. Kind of sounds like Wario.
I can't believe we're streaming this right now. I hope people are enjoying it.
Yeah.
So cocaine, though. I mean Colombia. That's what I meant to say. So scalamine or scalinopamine. You know what? One of the most deadliest drugs. What is it? School.
No. It's. I mean, you are mixing things. This is scopolamine. I think that's what you mean.
Scopolamine.
How do you pronounce it? Because Google doesn't want to look it up for me.
You know what a scopolamine?
Sarcolamine in your sorry.
I put it on the chat.
Sarcolamine.
You know what a scopolamine?
Sorry, sarcolamine, the fine transparent tubular sheath that develops the fibers of skeletal mushrooms.
Yeah,
Deadly drug, Colombia. How about that?
Oh, what do you mean? Wait, what's this? It looks like belladonna.
Yeah?
Yeah, it is more or less.
Okay.
I mean,
been on that.
not exactly. I mean, there is also
Scopolamine. I was totally way off base. I thought they were AIDS.
This is just like belladonna, man.
What's that?
Lasts for up to 8 hours.
Oh
it's
no,
whole bunch of stuff, actually. It's not only one component.
Have you heard of this?
Blurred vision, dilated pupils.
Well, let's say that I know a lot of things.
No, it's the robber drug. It's the ultimate date rape drug because it doesn't knock you out.
This is sort of urban legend, I would say, but okay.
Okay, go ahead.
It wouldn't be a great way to date rape someone because you'd be like have to babysit.
I mean, it does have certain properties, but I mean, there is no guarantee it would work this way. So this is a movie stuff. You know, in the movie they show that somebody gets it and then starts behaving funny or something. It doesn't have to work like that.
It's like this the kind of thing somebody would just like run into the ocean or stuff like that. Like
right. So the myth is that you give it to them and then anybody you're highly encourageable. Like really encourageable.
Well, it might work like that in certain individuals, but there is no guarantee you would always get the same effect, okay?
This is like, yeah, man, this is what do they call it? Hell's Bell.
Yeah, the Hell's Bell, huh?
Hell's Bell. Like the belladonna is the pre-version of it. This is like the bush version of the plant. A lot of people grow this stuff in their garden.
Len, would you do me a favor? Would you add me to sorry to interrupt you, of course. Sorry, as I won't do it again, I promise. Can you add me moderator to the channel? Who was that?
How do I do that?
I don't know. I think you go in somewhere. I think I can Google it. Add moderators.
There you go.
Find it out.
Save controls.
Yeah. Just so I can kick ALX down if I ever want to. I hope that makes him happy. Like he finally, like ALX is the new Jerry Banfield. Like, but he's not in his own mouth. He'll be in our mouths.
Well, you better watch out because I shared it with him as well.
Bro, he's so lagged right now that it looks like he's doing like a really slow like striptease. It's great. Wait, no, don't share. Don't. He doesn't know how to work those. He only knows iOS. No, I'm just kidding. Very intelligent.
Yeah, so like the side effect of this drug is similar to getting rabies.
No, don't allow.
Not really. I mean, that's a bit different story. So
Okay, yeah. So yeah, no, stories have been of like
dry mouth, dilated pupils, aversion to water,
like
dizziness,
oh hey,
come up
hey, can you
dull time
can you can
apart,
you
you get
can you help me with this?
rashes.
Can you help me with this address? And then the scopolamine will just bust on their face a little bit, just a little bit, and then I'm like, okay, can you take me down to this address? And then, or you go back in their house, and then they like one woman was like, I really enjoyed ransacking my house. Like I was just so happy to just look through everything, you know. And she was like, and my boyfriend, blah blah blah. We've been blah, blah,
Doing
blah.
what?
He saved up so much money. So this was a guy that was like, oh hey, can you do you know where to get to here? Okay, oh well, I'm going down there. Would you like a cup of a drink? And then you have a drink, and then oh well, and her house was really close. Oh well, blah 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 blah. Go back to the house, and he just wanted the money. Like he didn't steal any of the other stuff, just her boyfriend's savings. She was like, and I was, and when I was doing it, most people don't remember what they did. Like they can ransack their whole house, help somebody move all the furniture out of their house, and then the doorman be like, "It was like, why would you let me do that?" Well, because you told me to. So it's pretty bad, but there's a very fine line with it. It's very deadly. You can overdose, and boom, boom. So
that's true.
And I was correct. The belladonna and the hyacinth has the same drug inside.
the same what?
They yeah, man. I've taken this actually. By the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've taken it. I wouldn't never again, of course.
Right.
Yeah, I have taken.
Right, like unless it's like a kinky thing, like for you and somebody, like I want you to be completely dominant.
This is not really a stuff you should be using. I mean,
No, you should never,
unless you really know what you are doing, because it has
Yeah.
some beneficial properties in certain cases, but you have to really know what you are doing.
It's delirium. So like,
Yeah, well, it does have some other properties which are quite useful with proper dosage, but you have to really know what you're doing.
Yeah.
So that's
you
actually
should really stay away from it.
It's very old stuff. It's been used by since ages. It's nothing new really. I mean the plants were used in the
yeah. Like they said, sorry for cutting you off. It's like they use this back in the when a chieftain would die, they would essentially the women have to leave too, right? So they would give it to the women and tell them to go walk into a grave and bury them alive.
Well, like if you get seasick, you could take like one of the seeds, and that would be fine. Like it wouldn't have any psychological effect, but it would stop you from getting seasick.
Yeah, like you are not seasick anymore. So it's a great hypnotization.
But you shouldn't take like 15 of them because that would be poisonous. So like half of a seed or a seed is fine for like things like that, nausea, vomiting.
But yeah, the one guy in Viceland, let me see if I can pull him up on my page just to see his name. You might know his name, I don't know. So Viceland's psychedelic, I guess. Psychiatry. Nope. Viceland's.
Have you seen that psychedelic honey?
Psychedelic honey.
It's like giant bees, and they make psychedelic honey.
Giant bees. It's the big bees that do it.
Yeah. Giant what?
I'm so done with this.
Giant war was.
Psychedelic Viceland show.
It's actually Tibetan giant was. Giant war was from Tibet.
It's called Hamilton's Pharmacopoeia. Oh, I'm getting a phone call.
Yeah, the bees like eat the flowers like the rhododendron or something like that, like red flower. I think it's called a rhododendron. Is that it? Rhododendron.
Rhododendron. That's a different. That's a different shit, actually. Also dangerous, but I don't think you can get high on that.
No, but the bees make the bees process it somehow.
Ah, okay. Ah, right. Yeah. Okay.
And it's only that type of a bee that can make that kind of a honey. Like it's like a giant wasp.
Okay.
Let me see if I can find it here. Yeah, Nepalese honey that makes people hallucinate.
What are you talking about?
Nepalese honey that makes people hallucinate.
What are you talking about, Willis?
They had that on Vice.
Yeah.
Let's see if I think I'm still streaming. It'd be funny if I'm like not actually streaming. Oh wait, but I am. Oopsies. They have that on Vice. Yeah, that's what I was talking about earlier. Iceland. His name is Hamilton something. It's called Hamilton. Wait, where's my mouse? Hamilton's Pharmacopoeia. And he goes around the world and tries different hallucinogens.
This is the exact example that I needed.
It's the exact
Yeah, we boiled up 9 hyacinth flowers and reduced it to about 2 teaspoons. And we had half a teaspoon each. The first thing that happened is we forgot that we took it. And then we spent most of the night trying to figure out how we poisoned ourselves. And then we spent the other half of the night locking ourselves in our rooms and balls. It wasn't a very good trip either. It wasn't tripping. It was like really being like delirious. And it's like same as having rabies. Like you get really, really thirsty, but you can't drink water. You cannot stand the sight of water or even smell water.
I feel like having some water right now.
Yeah, you should. I should too.
That's some good water. I don't know, man. It's just like maybe water, a lot of water will help me with my worries, you know? I like to piss it all out, you know? Like it worked with alcohol.
Oh, it does. Dude, it works just like alcohol works with water, dude.
Pissing the night away.
If you drank as much water as you drank alcohol, you'll totally get rid of as many problems.
Oh,
You'll
yeah.
probably get rid of more.
Health problems.
Yeah, you'll probably get rid of a few kidney stones along the way, too.
Fuck. Kissing the night away. Fucking Prodigy's fucking suicidal. Suicidal Prodigy. I grew up on that shit. Kissing the night away. Kissing the night away. Well, now. Well, now. Yeah. Now. Yeah. La di da 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 da. Here, I'm gonna grab this script tag, CDN style, slap it over there in the head. Boom. Come over here, grab this, body my app type thing. Grab that, slap it over yonder. Right here, bam, that's where I'll slap it. Pop a did that, damn, me. Kissing the night away. Run that bitch in the console. Run that bitch in the command line. Command line. Spit it out, blue. Blues. Green. Green, nope. Ain't no green, nope.
It's 3 o'clock.
Well, it's not displaying, so something is not correct. Landlord would say, well, what is your console telling you?
Good. Nothing in the console? Oh, there is.
Okay. That's everything in JS.
E-upload not found.
Maybe this in your JS is not either. Maybe I need an updated version.
No, it said something was not found. Where there was a 404.
Something was not found. It was your brain.
It was the 404 just before that last.
It was the 404.
Green.htm not found. There's no file called green.htm.
What are we? Oh.
Green.htm. Oh, there is not. Oh,
Yeah.
so that's what I need to do. Thank you, Landmower. You're the shit. Fuck yeah.
America.
I didn't specify all that shit. So now I just got to. Okay. There we go. Thank you. At home, I'm gonna put news. No, wait, I gotta put them in the same spots. So I would say news. That's it for now, I guess.
The noise filtering stuff in Google starts doing like weird things. Starts sounding like music. Like the soundtrack.
Yo, my mic work now?
Yeah, your mic's working.
What about, is anybody, I was trying to get, I was talking, bro. I think nobody could hear me. I don't know what the fuck happened.
Oh, shit.
Oh, it's, okay, all right, that's what it is. All right. Go to medium video. Volume is good. So we're all good in the, whatever the fuck this place is. Yo, nobody watch me type in my ATM password. Just saying.
Just saying.
Just saying. Oh, the bottom half of the keyboard's covered. Oh, you're fucked.
Judging by the sound, your password is 9643.
This is an actual this is an illegal transaction. Not the money.
Thanks for doing that. Now
I told you I'm making a week.
Thanks for making me what do you call it? Like when you do something illegal, somebody else involves somebody else.
You are
Outlook your disk is almost full.
Your disk is almost full.
It's been almost full. Fuck.
Jesus Christ, I have $47 in the bank. That is not great.
Can I borrow $1? Can I get $1?
Can I borrow $1, please?
You got any crypto? Any crypto?
You got any
Give me
cash?
Give me $1.
You got any crypto, do you? You got any crypto?
Oh my God, it's a giant coal on my screen. What the fuck?
Look, it's so snowy outside.
Actually, I'm only recording me. Fuck that shit.
Yeah, I got time for that. I'm recording with my other one. Straight to glitch.
Well, I don't want to do this actually. It's gonna waste my fucking day. Shit. No. Not again. We got much harder.
Oh yeah, Morty. You got it. I want some almond or coconut, like non-sugared. That'd be great.
Yeah, let's go down to auto. Just so I
Man,
can go. Yeah.
I baked crackers today, and the baking tray melted.
Well, what were you baking it? Like, would you bake
Baking
crackers
it
at
like
like
the silicone.
700 degrees?
I was baking in the silicone tray, but I had the grill on.
Oh, you had one of the good ones, and
And the
not
silicone just started melting.
the almost good ones. Or you say you didn't have the good one?
I had the grill on.
Oh, the grill one.
The grill on.
The grill on.
I had the
Oh, you
grill
had the grill.
oven
You had
on.
the grill on.
Yeah.
What does that even mean?
I don't know the grill oven.
Can
Grill.
you grill in an oven? Does it have a
Yeah,
grill?
yeah. You can grill in an oven.
So it's not just an oven.
Do you have a? Oh no.
Just an oven. Ovens have grill.
Is there a grilla?
Grill.
You're close. You're real close. To getting fucking the boat. The boat.
You're saying grilla?
No.
It just said grilla. It's I didn't say it was the video for Thriller.
Like even before, like I couldn't even share my screen with y'all before. Gorilla killer. I'm only a blood spiller. You know what I do when I got vanilla? Oh, I put a little bit of cinnamon in it, so that when I got my stir stick, I spin it. Yeah, I could never stop rhyming because of the diamond, the crime, and everything that's rhyming in my head because I'm minding everything that I said. But they actually sounded good, like what I was talking about. So, booyah, Shaka Khan. All right, so are y'all ready to stream to Twitch? Hey, can I stream to your Twitch?
My Twitch anytime.
Let me stream to your Twitch. Got that glitch. Let me stream to your Twitch, bitch.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a little bit of more vodka in it, but I need a little bit of better blue light. Hey,
So I think the issue with the cold corner is that our node is too new.
What are you saying?
The Y Freedom First NPM package isn't working. There's I'm tracking an issue on GitHub. I found the issue is being logged 9 days ago.
I'm gonna stop streaming because nobody's watching.
I
Stream because people are watching.
have found the issue being logged. Added. Maybe you can just comment there, please, if you don't mind. Just raise some awareness.
Wait, so what are we talking about? Comment where?
Here on the GitHub.
Let me look at your page. Okay, so you were saying GitHub would do what? We need to comment on what?
Comment on that issue.
Can they glitch you?
The
Did you send me a
GitHub.
link in Discord, or did you send it in?
On Freedom First. Freedom First. On the Discord.
Right, we got you. Might take a little work, but I'll get there.
So I think. Oh, check your note. So it's not just node 11.
All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go into a private call.
Okay.
I don't want a distraction. Not like as somebody distracting me, but to and then have
It's not
traction.
It's not going to be a dystopia until you go.
Yeah, pretty much sure what that guy said.
That guy.
Love you so much that I want to strangle your voice throat. Just kidding.
What's up, bro?
It won't let me. I'm joking.
Let's go.
You're choking.
Yeah.
You're choking.
Listen to the
You just
cocaine choke.
You're just choking. Hey. Hey.
Cole said he was. Oh fuck! I can't even get there. God damn it! Fuck. Goddamn tight ass gas station. Time to get some gas. Oh fuck! Oh god, I'm pumping gas in flip flops in 20-degree weather. Yay!
Did it only occurs to you now that that's a bad idea?
I'll be back in a second.
That's why you need to pump gas and slip it. So I have a theory that you don't need to launch a smart contract to create a token. Yeah.
All right.
Trying it out. I want to make a token called Moon. Damn it. Understand. Token called Moon. Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Month right now.
Fuck. Cole, I'm sorry for talking down to you, bro.
I want a blunt right now. My body, my app.
No, I'll be around in a couple minutes. I'll let you know.
How will you?
What was it about? I'm just gonna start instead of talk. I'm just gonna start recording every posting. No live shit. No more live.
Nude.
Noob.
I learned something today.
Fake noobs.
Today I learned something. Today I learned something. So I can take off this back, but back.
Oh, it's fucking cold. Damn.
Oh.
Shit, it's 19 degrees.
This is what I wanted to learn to do. for the longest time. There's a simple demonstration on W3 School. Now I can go from this page to this page to this page with simply clicking the JavaScript. It's a wizard. It's a wizard.
What happened to Scissor?
Oh, I don't know. I don't talk to him anymore.
Scissor. Who's Scissor?
Scissor.
Zuzu.
The Sizzle Usurper. Steve Zissou, the Usurper. Does anyone here love Steve Zissou?
Super duper dude.
The Life Aqualupi.
Ah. Okay.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Beavis Rio. So you guys all subscribe to the channel I moved?
Yeah.
We'll ditch it one day. I got opposable pawns from. Doesn't even mean anything. And it doesn't matter. As long as Ko's not here. Oh, Jesus, that girl was freaking. Whoa. Interesting. I don't like blondes. That girl was hot. Blonde chick in the snow. So was she. What the hell's going on, bros? Must be near the yoga place.
What is the about?
That bitch says, that's Yoga Rose. You even go to the Yoga Rose, Co?
I just made a token.
Nah.
A new one?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Called Moon.
Luna token? Can we make a Luna token like now?
Hey, you can have as many as you want.
Dude, Luna Token is a good podcast name. It's like the moon, lunacy, smoking, and Luna tokens, right?
Yeah.
It's like moon smoking.
Yeah.
Moon
Yeah.
Nobody likes Luna Token. Why does everybody hate the Luna Token? I don't get it.
I didn't mind.
Luna Token? Luna Token is for like Luna Troll.
Yeah.
Papa Troll, I'm gonna be Papa Smurf.
No.
Papa Troll. Little kids love like Papa Troll.
Yeah.
I'll be Pauper Troll. I troll because I'm
the
poor.
design's coming along just fine, guys. The design.
Make some propaganda.
See if we got any errors in the console. Checking it out.
Oh fuck!
Fine.
Oh, the days are getting longer. Like that didn't import. What's going on? Wow, that's so weird.
Wow. Damn. Fucking cold up in this bitch. We still live?
What's the temp outside over there?
Like 50 or 60.
Oh shit.
It's like 70.
Fucking 19.
Yeah.
Here we go. I can give you. I made a coin called Ho.
Are you breaking up tokens from Freedom First, or are you just making a whole another one?
What do you mean breaking up tokens?
Are you like
You're
are you
breaking up.
metamorphing us Freedom First into other token forms, like powering them up, or are you just making a new chain, or what do you mean?
That's on Freedom First.
Dude, this
Feature
is what I
of the
want
blockchain is that you can have tokens.
Infinite tokens.
Infinite tokens. Yeah, I just sent a cold corner 1,000 Ho.
What?
Ho?
Ho.
H-O?
H-O.
Nice. How many hoes? How many hoes do you get?
Let me see who else I can send some Ho.
Send me some Ho shows.
Do you want some more Ho?
Like ho ho ho.
I think you get another 1,000 Ho just for saying that.
What? Sent to my EOS account or what? How the hell?
Hey, this is so cool. So we can have something like whose line is it anyway? And every time you laugh, I just send you a bunch of tokens.
Maybe like a bit of a time on somebody says something like that almost sounds like Sam. So like you make a joke and you just kind of bet on it. You don't say like you bet that it's going to be successful, and then like when it is successful, you win from somebody else's joking.
Let me see who else. Send some to take Sherman. 1,000 Ho's for you, bro.
Oh, that's great. Oh, model coin MC stopped following me and Adept. Oh.
Whatever happened to Jerry Banfield?
He still streams I get Facebook notifications that he is like streaming or something. I don't think I've ever clicked one.
You give him an account.
Barry Janfield.
We really don't bring in enough guests, I don't think.
Who's asking? Or who who's keeping track?
This is so cool. I mean, I've just sent a bunch of people coins already.
But like, in which wallet? How can I tell?
I don't know.
That's nice. Maybe in my Meet.1 wallet, it shows all the coins I hold.
No, that's on EOS.
Oh, so this is some other shit?
No, this is on Freedom First.
Oh, shit. What? You made your own coin on the Freedom First blockchain?
Blockchain?
That's the first smart contract you're talking about?
Yeah, I made a coin called Ho.
Nice.
I made a coin called Ho Ho. Let's see if it's on scan. Let's send some to Co. Send Co somehow.
Send that Co somehow. Yeah. So this means I would go to home and say,
Yeah, there's so much more to it. It's great. What's up? What'd you say?
How does that even work?
I've
Oh,
heard you
yeah.
say that a few times.
You can say clear get balance. Clear get. There we go. Clears. It's a clear get currency balance.
All right. Let's see. I've got to maintain a few servers real quick.
You ain't gotta do shit.
So I'll talk to you in a bit. I'm definitely coming out to Colorado very soon. So
I'll wait for you there.
I'll wait for you there.
I'm wondering just because I have to go to Texas soon, probably in about a month. Maybe I could yeah. Oh yeah, maybe I should
Are you talking to your dog,
fly. Yes. I should fly to
Are you talking to your dog,
Texas
bro?
to Colorado and then meet my girl in Colorado and hang out.
Then go to California.
But yeah, man, I'll talk to you in a bit.
Cool.
All right.
Later.
Where's Colorado?
Later, brother.
That's somewhere in Mexico.
No, not y'all. Hold on one second.
I may be going to Missouri soon.
Missouri.
My family's in Missouri. That's like right near Co.
You know that Metallica song? My friend of Missouri.
I don't know that song.
It's actually my friend of Missouri.
Oh, my friend of misery. Misery. Misery loves company. The Lorem
You see, I needed to
Ipsum.
make a token. I need to make a token to manage like the reward system. What you're doing looks mighty interesting.
My internet is so fucking slow, dude. I'm like trying to wait for these pages to load. I am just snooping around other people's code and trying to snag pieces and make it look spiffy. Parallax background. I was gonna click on that, but I don't know.
I say make the whole website out of parallax. Text, the background, the foreground, the middle ground.
No matter where you put the mouse, it's on
Parallax
doing
everything.
parallax.
Every time, even if you tilt the phone, it should parallax.
Yeah, like, and then when you like try to like click on something, the button moves out of the way so you can't click it. Like every time you can move the mouse to the button, it just moves away. I don't know about this. I don't think there's a parallax going on here. Unless you put stuff on there. She's here. I'm streaming, Alice. On mute.